What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're back here at the little pond. Sorry for the wind, by the way. It's been kicking up a little bit, but yeah, it's been a beautiful day and hopefully we got on some big fish. All right, guys, first cast here. I just got a little wacky rig tied on, and yeah, let's see. We've had a couple of cold fronts recently. It's been pretty cold around here, so it started to warm up again here recently, so hopefully that'll mean that the bass are biting pretty good. I am still working like a slower lure. You know, I got the little wacky rig on, sort of working it on the bottom, giving it a few pops every few seconds. We also got the wind pushing up on the shore right here, so that might be good for us. Thinking I'm probably just gonna go ahead and work right around that bend over there, and that little tree over there is pretty good, so yeah. Guys, I just got a fish. Unfortunately, I didn't get the hook up on camera, but here he is. Nice little bass, guys. Shaking. All right, here we go. Beautiful little bass. Let him go. And there he goes. All right, guys, there we go. First fish of the day. Nice little bass. As you can see, the wind is pushing up back here, and I think it's pushing up the bait back here, so maybe that's why I caught that fish back here. But you know, there's always a little good spot right here. It's a little corner back here in the pond. I always do pretty good here, so yeah, nice little bass. Hopefully we can catch another one. Let's get another cast out there. Go. Oh my god, I'm getting bit. Oh, guys, I'm on again. Oh yeah. Another beautiful little bass here. Come up here, buddy. There we go. Look at that, guys. He is barely hooked. Just barely got him on the side of the jaw. Nice little bass, about the same size. There he goes. Awesome, guys. Looks like we find us a little honey hole back here. They're all pretty small, but hey, still pretty fun catching them on a little wacky rig here. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna go ahead and be it for the video. Had a lot of fun on the pond here. Little dock demon rod. If you guys, like I said, have any other ideas of any videos you'd like to see on the channel, please make sure to comment below. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.